Root cellars allow a deeper, more satisfying food experience for the right kind of person. It's all part of the grassroots movement to create a more direct connection between farm field and home dinner table. The food storage capacity of a root cellar makes local eating possible like nothing else can. Tired of eating soulless California carrots all year long? Explore the local farmers market scene. Then stock up on heirloom varieties of carrots, beets, potatoes, apples and dozens of other foods when the harvest comes in. Did you know you can dig cabbage out of the ground in the fall, then temporarily plant the root attached to each head in soil-filled tubs to keep fresh and vibrant all winter long? A root cellar is the space to make this happen. And besides eating better, there's something deeply satisfying about standing in the middle of months' worth of wholesome food in a root cellar of your own. A unique cookbook that includes complete instructions on how to plan and build a root cellar, no matter where you live, condo, townhouse, or even warm climates. Once you've nailed the storage, you'll find delicious recipes to use up your stored bounty. Whether you grow your own vegetables, buy shares in a local CSA or have a neighbor with an emerald green thumb, preserving the harvest over the winter can be a challenge. If you don't own so much as a single mason jar, cold storage can be the answer, and the complete root cellar book, Building Plans, Uses and 100 Recipes by Steve Maxwell and Jennifer McKenzie provides everything you need but the lumber. Homeowners, townhouse renters and even apartment dwellers can find a plan to suit their living space. And it doesn't end with the final nail. By the time you put down the hammer, you'll know everything you need about root storage, pest control and even have the essentials on keeping your wine collection happy. To ensure you enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor, Mackenzie, a veteran recipe developer, provides 100 tempting soup, main, dessert and condiment recipes. What makes this book unique? The sheer range of designs and storage ingenuity is impressive. Detailed plans.